Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at S&P 500 and Nasdaq with the tech stocks, that is Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Netflix, Google and Amazon. So we are starting off with S&P 500 guys, and we did try today to go all-time highs, and when I was doing a video in the morning on Nvidia I talked about that yes, even the hourly candle back then was looking good, but it all came down to how the day would close. And unfortunately, we didn't close at all-time highs the day, right? Things sold off, so we didn't quite close at the all-time highs. So, but what does it mean? Is structure bearish now? Well, no, not really. Structure is still standing bullish, and it's not a bearish structure right now. And even if we do a cool off guys at this point, as long as we are above this 20 days, not just that, but 554 and 70 cents, as long as we stay above that in the overall structure, things would be still fine, right? Now just take a look at hourly interval as well. Let's identify what we are watching for tomorrow. Well, so we are finding some support at one of the levels below. Well, for tomorrow you are watching two things. If we can stay above 563 and 19 cents in the morning, this can become an upside play. If we lose 50 hours moving average anytime, it can a little bit weaken down again for tomorrow. So that's a likelihood, right? So 50 hours moving average to the downside is what you're watching. So, but yeah, overall structure can still remain. There's still a lot of good strength in the trend though, guys. That's what I'm also trying to say, right? So that's that. With SPY, let's take a look at QQ. So QQ, a little bit sell-off is coming, but it's just a cool off, just a sell-off, nothing more than, well, a cool off, I would say. We are still above 20 and 50 days moving average. Structure on this hasn't really turned bearish. Structure is just through a pullback today. And if we take a look at hourly interval, on QQQ, tomorrow, the levels to watch, well, one more thing I got to adjust here, guys. Let me do that. All right. Now, if tomorrow, well, if we stay below 473 and 78 cents, below this, yes, there's weakness, and definitely next leg of weakness would come below 472 and 44 cents. If we stay above this level with 20 and 50 hours moving average, it can again just continue higher up tomorrow. Those are the levels to watch. It's pretty much right at that pivot at a good significant level as well. But overall down here, if you want to just get the sentiment that yes guys, until we are not losing 467.92 cents in the overall structure, that is just fine. Today is just a pullback day. Technically in the overall structure we are still upside bullish. Microsoft gapped up but is filled the gap, sold off, but you can see structure is still bullish. That's just a pullback or cool off, however you want to call that, and that really hasn't changed the structure on this. And Microsoft has a lot of potential now to just stay in this uptrend, guys. Even until the level of 426 and 74 cents, that will just be a pullback, nothing more than that in my opinion. Let's go to the hourly interval, levels to watch tomorrow. So I don't want to short this thing, even intraday. My suggestion would be for tomorrow, if it can get above 436 and 73 cents, it can continue higher. If it starts to cool off, just looking at the price action, I think that there is a likelihood with 50 hours moving average support and 432 and 95 cents, this thing may again be bought back up. Just my opinion though. But those are the levels to watch on Microsoft for tomorrow. Overall structure is still bullish on this thing. Apple, today a little bit rebounding, but unfortunately, guys, we are a little bit in the weaker structure on this. With Apple, it's a long-term play mostly, right? Just when sell-off happens, just average cost into it. For tomorrow, levels to watch, well, this level, 217, if we can get above it, it's an upside play. I'm seeing again this next significant level is holding really well, guys, 214 and 61 cents with a lot of pivots came today, a lot of support. Looks like it want to go up tomorrow. Well, so level for the upside, 217. But if we lose the level 215 and 90 cents to the downside, that's where weakness will come. So those are the two levels to watch on this. But yes, looking to break out almost there. Apple, I mean. Meta, a little bit selling off at the all-time highs. However, it's still closed higher than what is normal prices. And yesterday closing price, in other words. And then overall structure still remains bullish on this thing though, all right? Take partial profits in the extensions, and structure is still bullish on this thing. Pullbacks are just a buy, even until 20 and 50 days moving average. Let's see over here. As long as we stay above 531 and 51 cents, pullbacks are just a buy on this thing. This is not even looking weaker right now. It's still super strong, guys. So if we lose 531 and 51 cents, then you can be expecting 527.25 cents. Is that a likelihood of happening? Right now, I'm not seeing that price action, but if in the pre-market we see weakness, it can open up that possibility. But right now, I'm not seeing any of those possibilities. It's still a bullish play. Netflix, no problem, guys. This is something I have been saying even through these red candles. We are still staying in the bullish structure. From there, after above the blue box, we are still bullish structure. It's almost going for again that all-time highs, and I think it's just gonna get out and above of this all-time highs. Just my opinion, though. So, but yes, still bullish and can continue higher. Right now, I'm not seeing any problem. A trailing stop loss could be below 701.20 cents. So if I take a look at the hourly interval, yeah, pretty much that's the level to watch. As long as we stay above this level tomorrow, 701.48 cents, no problem. Pullbacks are just a buy until then. Below that has to be a stop loss. Google, well, guys, so I hold Google in my junior trader dividend investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description below. If I get time today, I'll do a video because I want to provide an update. Also, I didn't change any positions, but I just want to provide an update on how the portfolio is looking like. Subscribe here as well. Link to this channel is in the description below of this video. And if you are also interested in having access to my tools that you see in the videos, links to my tools are also in the description of this video. Google, bullish structure still today until, well, it's still going on right up from here. And no problem, right? We are trying to establish above 20 days moving average as well. It's already above 200 days moving average. That this is what I have been saying, that upside can continue on Google right after this even 200 hours moving average, and it's still looking really nice. I would only consider weakness on this if we lose 50 hours moving average. Otherwise, no. Right now, it's still very strong, and yeah, it's looking really nice. Amazon, no problem, right? Last couple of days when we were having red candles, what I was saying that we are still in the bullish structure, and we are in the bullish structure, and you can see today we are just continuing higher. So not a problem, right? Yes, some little bit of a sell-off is coming at the next significant level, but is that changing the structure? Not right now, right? Let's take a look at hourly interval. And this was another trend line that if we break out of it, which we did today, it's an upside play. We got that play. Now tomorrow, this is the level to watch. If we can hold above 186 and 36 and stay above it, above this is just a bullish play. All right, so below this is a weakness. Otherwise, no, pullbacks are just a buy until then, and upside can continue above this 186 and 42 cents. All right. Okie dokie. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. And yeah, links to my tools are in the description below. And don't forget to check out my junior trader dividend investing channel as well. All right. All right, guys. All right. Take care. Bye.